everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the transfer option in the inventory management, and by the end you will have all the insights you need to use the transfer option in the Bittrex 24. So grab a seat, hit that like button and let's get started. The transfer document is need to control the movement of the product between the warehouses. You will know where the product you need are and can distribute them between the warehouses in the time. You can create a transfer document in the inventory management in the inventory tab. Add a product to the document, specify their quantity, select the sending and receiving warehouse, and they save the document as a draft. When the product is actually transferred to another warehouse, process e-document to find form for the specific source or destination warehouse, open the search panel and specify the desired warehouse. So for creating product, we just need to go first in the transfer option. In the transfer, we just need to create the product. Here in this option, we just need to add the product over here, and we just need to select the source warehouse and the destination warehouse where we need to transfer this product from one particular source to the another source. So when we select the product in the quantity, we just need to mention the quantity, how much quantity we want to transfer from one document to the another warehouse. Here we just need to select the warehouse, that is here we just add the new warehouse, and in the destination warehouse we add the another warehouse, that is warehouse 26. In the general tab we just add the transfer document and we just save this. In the quantity we add here the quantity over here. As you can see over here, in the new demo test product, the source warehouse is warehouse demo test and total quantity we have over here 90, and we just transfer the 10 amount of quantity in the warehouse 222. So this is how you can transfer your product from one particular warehouse to the another warehouse. So this is how the transfer option in the inventory management works in the Bittrex 24. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comments below and I will see you in the next one.